For today's Tutorial Tuesday, we are sticking with the Star Wars theme and making a Baby Yoda optical illusion. For this project, you will need double-sided tape or regular tape that you loop, 2 pieces of paper, both the same size, one where you will draw Baby Yoda and another where you will draw a lightsaber. I have included the tutorials for the drawings below. You will also need an elastic that is longer than the length of the paper, so you can tie a couple of elastics together like I did. That's it. Hi guys, it's Miss Monroe. I am here with you for Tutorial Tuesday and still celebrating Star Wars and May the 4th, even though it is May the 5th, which is also Cinco de Mayo, and that's cool. But I decided to stick with the Star Wars theme. Some people just seem to like it. So this is a fun craft. Here's my Baby Yoda. Hello, Baby Yoda. And so I drew him with the help of 2 different tutorials, which I have put in the comments below. And then there's a lightsaber on the other side, which I also drew with the help of a YouTube tutorial that I put in the comments below. And so one of the reasons why I want to make this and talk to you about YouTube art tutorials is because that is my big stress reliever. So I have been drawing with my daughter probably every day since all of this started, and it is pretty much the only thing that really helps me relax. I have to do it, otherwise I can't really fall asleep. So I've been trying to do different fun things with them that I could then show you. So I attached the tutorials down below. So here's Baby Yoda. You are going to draw him on a piece of paper and draw him any way you want. And then on another piece of paper, you're going to draw a lightsaber. So what you're going to do is you'll take Baby Yoda and then the lightsaber, and you're going to put them back to back. But what you have to make sure you do is one has to go upside down. So I'm going to make this one go upside down. And you can take double-sided tape or just fold a piece of tape over so that they stick to each other. And you'll put them together on one side and then take, this is kind of ridiculous, I could not find any elastics that were long enough, so I tied a bunch of them together. Reuse, recycle, all that good stuff. And you're going to put an elastic in between them like that, and then another piece of like double-sided tape right in here, so that we have a little bit of elastic sticking out each end. You can also punch a hole on either side of these and then like loop the elastic through there, but I didn't want to do that because my son wants the picture of Yoda. So now you take it and you twist it, holding the both sides of the elastic, and you're just going to twist, 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 twist. And I love these things. I believe it's called a Thaumatrope. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. So if I'm not, and you got to say it, send me an email saying it, and that way I will know how to say it. And then you pull, and it looks like Yoda's holding a lightsaber, which you can't see very well on that, but it really does, and it's really cool. The ones that people usually do are goldfish and bowls, but we decided to do Baby Yoda and a lightsaber. There he is. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if these instructions made any sense at all. I will type them out for you as well so that you can maybe make more sense of them. It's pretty late right now, so it's actually Cinco de Mayo while I'm taping this. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. And also a little mindfulness tip is sometimes artwork, following tutorials, Building Legos, things like that also count as mindfulness. It doesn't have to be meditating. It can be something that you just find like your flow. And when you find your flow, it's a good thing. So tomorrow, get ready because we will be making blue and or green milk, just like Star Wars, for Wellness Wednesday.